Hello everyone, forward here. Here is Julo CNC workshop. Please take a look. As we know, CNC router bits affects processing effects and processing speed. Our CNC router bits mainly for the wood and stone. It can also process some metals, different materials, different CNC router bits. Next, I will show you. This CNC router bits mainly for the stone. Please take a look. This CNC router bits mainly for the wood. This is the spring collect. This is the CNC router bits. Next, I will show you how to install it.